Hello, my name is Uchechi Kano. I'm gonna analyze my experiment result right now, okay? If you recall, in the last 48 hours, I had inactive culture of epidemics, E. coli and cerevisiae, and I had, the broths, and from the inactive, I developed an active culture. Okay, so this experiment, the title is Aseptic Technique and Culturing Microbes, and it's the exercise 2. Recall in exercise 1, I, cultivated a culture, but now in exercise 2, I actually get my active cultures and I dip into the E. coli. I started with E. coli. I dipped into the nutrient for the E. coli culture, and then I strike with my loop. I strike the first quadrant right here on top, strike it, and it was highly concentrated. Had more colonies, of course, because I went directly from the culture to that on top. But after I did that, I dipped my loop into the alcohol before I now started with the second quadrant, striking it. And of course, it has less concentration of those colonies because it wasn't like the direct culture. And then after that, I serialized again in the alcohol for 20 seconds and did the third quadrant and did the fourth quadrant. And then I did the same thing with all this. And now I'm gonna show you the E. coli. Okay, I'll show you the result of what I had here. If we can focus, this is actually like my E. coli, and this is what we had. And then also the aspect to them is I will, video them. Now for my shape, like the E. coli, actually when you come to the shape, it looks filamentous to me, okay, and shape. But with when you talk about the margins, it looked coiled to me, okay, and it had like the flat elevation. Looking at it, it had flat elevation and also the pontiform in size, okay. Then for my S epidermis, it had a circular, okay. This epidermis, I also viewed it, and when I took picture, I compared it and saw that in shape, it was circular, and then regular, like circular and regular in between. I don't really know, but with entire margins and elevation of porn and also the size is large and moderate. But when it comes to S cerevisiae, I saw that the shape was kind of like spindle, an entire margin was spindle in shape, but the margin is entire, and then the elevation is raised, and all of that. So now, after 48 hours that I did that, this is like the result that I found. That I noticed that those first quadrant had more colonies, more concentrated than the other ones. All right, and this is all about it. So I'm gonna do the rest of the viewing, and I take picture and put it on my lab report. That way, you can see all of the margins and magnifications. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.